Demo is about the MLFlow and using the dagsHub. Now as you see, I am working on my chest project, chest image classification. It's a deep learning project. So for that I will have to need the MLFlow and the dagsHub. I'm using it. So it's today's video will be about just having the what is MLFlow and how it's working of the MLFlow. Now as you can see, I have prepared the my dagsHub server, in which I am actually, what is dagsHub? You can say it, Google it. It's used for the, like, basically it's used for the DVC roles and the having the comparing the different experiment, tracking those experiment. So for that we need a dagsHub. Now coming back to the commands and the how I'm working on it, as you can see, I have prepared my environment. Now I will run these commands. I have already prepared the dagsHub, so you can see that. This is same like exporting the, this is my username, GitHub. I have taken the demo repository for using the, for showing you for this MLFlow. I will show you the code also which I am taking. Actually I am using the wine quality dataset from the MLFlow itself. I will show it to you. Now these are the three basic command you need to start with it. Now what is it? Now this is my code is. This code is like an open source also, you can take it from the MLFlow website also, but just explaining all those things, importing the panda for reading the CSV data, MLFlow also have different supported different libraries also, or you can use like that. I am using the ElasticNet algorithm, and there are three metrics you can see: root mean square, MAE mean absolute error, and the R2 score for the accuracy. Whatever the experiment we are going to do it on these metrics, we are going to evaluate. Now you can see this whole, we are splitting those data sets, and we are putting into the arrays. Whatever the column which we are not needed, we are dropping those. And yes, these are the two basic parameters we are going to run this thing, alpha and the L1 ratio. I'm not going to tell you in this video what is it, and you can see that. And this is the basic command of MLFlow running it. Now let's run it from our, let's see, it is in this folder. No, I think it's in the research folder. Let's go to the research. Okay, now see, I have not used any kind of an alpha and the L1 value. By default it is, if we are not giving it to them alpha or L1 values, by default it is going to take the 0.5 and 0.5 values. How do I know it? I have put this thing. Now what going to happen is, let's go to the our MLFlow. Let's not go to the MLFlow. This is the experiment. Now we can see, we are going from dagsHub to the MLFlow. Now you can see already I have done the different experiment also. Yeah, this is the 34 seconds ago. Now this is our recent one. Now you can see it. These are the, when we are implementing it, this is the ML model, this is going to be made. This is the dot of a pkl file, requirement.txt is already going to make things up. Now you can see the parameters 0.5, 0.5. Now you can see it 0.627. These are the, on these values, alpha and alpha values, these metrics has come up: MAE, R2 score and RMSE score. Now we can also give the alpha or L1 values also by using the like 0.9, 0.8. let's see what is the values comes out to be. Now you can see it. Now here comes the values. RMSE value is coming out to be 0.83. now you have to visualize it. Now you can go to the MLFlow. Now you can see the table values. Now this is the recent one. Now you can see the our parameters values are 0.9 and 0.8. based upon that we are getting the three matrices. Now what we are going to do is comparing the whole values which you have putting in. Let's see. Let's compare it. This is the MA value, RMSE value and R2 value. Now all you can say is this is the best chart. Now if we have to find out the best accuracy score of any model, what you are going to do is R2. Higher the R2 value, better it is the accuracy. Lower the RMSE value and MAE values, the better the model will be. Now you can see that 0.5 and 0.5 values, which is R2 is this thing, and look at the 0.9 and 0.8 values. Their RMSE is very high, MAE is very high, and their R2 is very low. Now you can see which is the model that you are going to take, this one or this one. 0.5, that's correct. So this is the comparing or tracking the experiment. We can use the MLFlow. So thank you everyone for watching my videos. This is the first video of the chest image classification. I am using it. In the next video I am going to show you the whole my CI/CD deployment of CT scan classification image. I am using the deep learning. Thank you.